Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And for those of you that maybe this is your first time here or you're returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love it. It will make me really happy if you would consider subscribing. Wanted to show you a few things that I got, and let's get right into it. I have this big old box that I'm gonna have to open. And I'm gonna use my handy dandy cloud box cutter. But let me show you how big this thing is. It takes up the whole frame. It's like a flat box, but it's pretty long. Okay, let me open this. I'm gonna have to hold on. One. This one, totally unexpected. So let's see what we got. Bow and gift wrapped it real nice. So here it is in a dust bag. Can you all hear that sound? Okay. I got the Coach straw bag. Or is it raffia? It's a straw bag. It says straw BK for Brooklyn and then 28. So this one comes in two sizes. This is a smaller one. It's a 28 and a 39, I believe. This is the 28. So yeah, so this is the Brooklyn 28 in straw. I don't have a Brooklyn at all on any size. I don't know why I haven't jumped on that bandwagon. I think it's a beautiful bag. But I don't know. I do like this one in this shape, in this material, obviously for like summer purposes. It comes with the little, and I like the fact that's got like the honey color, the honey brown. I love the honey brown. Let's see. And this is just, it has a, let's see. This here, this is magnetic. And those two pieces are in leather, and it is the honey brown color. So that's how it clips. And it's pretty strong magnet too. Take more stuffing out. Now, I don't know what the Brooklyn's kind of hold like. I don't know if they're a little bit more like sturdy because they're leather. This is very, I don't want to say flimsy, but it's very wobbly. But that is what I like about it. I like how it's just like this little kind of like a, almost like a little, yeah, a straw bag, kind of like a little laundry basket or something. I don't know. I think it's really cute. I think this will be really cute in the summer. But I gotta tell you guys, my daughter saw this bag at the Coach store, and she was like, "That's beautiful. I gotta have that." And I said, "Don't." I said, "I already ordered it." It actually got to the house the day before, and she said, "Well, that's mine." So I'm gonna try to use it before she snatches it from me, but she's already claimed it, and that's fine. You know, one of the things about her and I is that we kind of wear the same size. So we share shoes, and we obviously, she can use any of my purses, right? So That's what it looks like. And this is the small one. I did try on the bigger one at the store after I have bought this one. But I was glad that I had ordered this one, because when I went to the store and got to try them both on, like, I ordered this for my essay and it arrived the day after I ordered it from him, and arrived to my house, and I had not opened the box until now. So like a handful of days went by and I just now opened so I had not seen it in person. The following day I went to the store and I tried them on there, and mine was still packed. So they're both beautiful, but by trying them on at the store, for me and for my purposes, I was glad that I had gotten this one. I feel like the other one was a little bit too big. I know, talks the person that has the biggest kiss lock out there. Yeah, but this is really, I love it. This is stunning. Like, I can just see me just wearing this during the summer. That is, if my daughter doesn't take it from me. It does have the creed. I'll try to show you as best as I can. And like a darker brown. And this is literally just, there's no structure to it. There's no bottom to it. So I would be careful with, if you guys get this bag. It's stunning. Now, I do know I ordered it from him. I saw it online, and then that night they were sold out. Both sizes were sold out. I think they have been replenished since. I think they were only sold out for like a day, maybe two. And I think they've been replenished since. But even though they were sold out at the website, they were available at the stores, because I asked him and I said, I saw that it's sold out 2 days, 2 days after I ordered mine. And he said, they did on the website, but we have plenty of them at the store. He said, at least this store, we have plenty of them. And they had both sizes. So, but I believe they've been replenished since. So that is what it looks like. And the bottom is just like an additional piece. This piece right here that's been either knitted together or attached together. But that's what the bottom looks like. This is really beautiful, and it's literally straw. If any of you get to go to the store, I would highly recommend checking this out. Of course, the smaller one is a little bit better priced than the bigger size, but they're both stunning. I think for the price, this one was $195. I think for the price and the size, I think this is great. This is a great, pretty iconic bag. All this is straw. I mean, there's a lot of work that went into this, and I appreciate just the workmanship on this. It's pretty stunning. It's pretty stunning. This is like something that you would get in the islands, like if you go to Jamaica or something. This is like something typical that would be handcrafted there. So that's really what caught my eye from it. I just found it to be really different. For the next item, so this is something that I knew I wanted. Once I saw that this got released, I wanted it. I knew I was gonna get it. I did not get it when it first came out. This item, when I came across it on social media, I knew that I needed to have this bag, because I had been thinking before, I love my bag that looks like this, but if it was just a little bit smaller. Anyways, I was not able to get it right away because the color that was available in different websites, I already have one of that color. So I was waiting for this color to become available, and it eventually did on the Coach website. They're both available now, as far as I know. So this is what I got. Let me show you. Ribbons and bows everywhere. Can you all tell by the shape what it is, what it might be? I did get the soft Empire carryall in the size 28. Now, what color did you all think that I got? So far it's been released in 2 colors. the honey brown, and the black. As you all know, if you've been watching my channel, you may remember that I have the Empire Carryall 40 in the honey brown. I have it in navy, I have it in the navy, and I have it in honey brown. So when this bag came out, I knew I wanted this size because I had been talking about it a few months ago with my mom. I gifted my mom the Empire Carryall in the size 28, but it is on the glove tan leather, so it's not the soft one. I got it for her for Christmas from Neiman Marcus in the color chalk, and she loves that bag, and I love that size. I thought that the 26 was a little bit too small. When the runway 21 came out, I was like, no, that is too tiny. I wanted something in between the 40, but not the 35, because it was too close to the 40. And then I wanted something a teensy bit bigger than the 26. When I saw the 28s in like different department stores, which is the one that I got from my mom in the hard leather, I was like, that is an awesome size. I wish they would make it in the soft. Well, a few months later, they did. So here she is. And she's all stuffed right now, so she's not looking very soft. But she's the genuine full grain leather. Again, I didn't get the honey brown because I have the honey brown in the 40. So I don't have an Empire of any size in the black. So I've been going back and forth in my own head about getting the black one, but I'm like, I already have two 40s. I don't need another 40. And I wasn't digging the glove tan leather ones. I don't know, something about the slouchiness of bags lately that I love, which is why I love this thing. When I saw it, it's just like, So here she is. How cute is she? And I'm not gonna go and take all this stuff off right now, but here's the tag. Here's all the wrapping that it comes with. Here is the hand tag in leather. And I am gonna take all this stuffing out from the inside just because here's the crossbody strap, sick. And here's all stuffed. Okay. What is this? Look at this smooshiness. Oh, it smells like everything. I love this smooshy. I love this gushy smooshy. Look at this. Ah! What? This is almost like a little, it's like a little speedy, but not. I don't know. I'm obsessed, so check it out. Here's my 40 and the honey. And here is the baby 28. Weird. I got the 28 from my mom, like I've been saying, in the glove tan leather. Hers looks a little bit bigger. Or maybe it's just because it's more stiff. I don't, you know what it is? Hers is heavier. My mom's is heavier. I think because of the glove tan leather. This is like really light. But yes, I did not get it in the honey brown because I already have this one. I didn't need another honey brown. And I didn't have a black one. I don't have a black Empire. And I just thought, oh, I was so glad when they released the soft in this color. Ah. Black is always a classic, right? And it just goes with everything. So this, I can get away. I don't usually, I try to use the 40 Empire Carryall's crossbody. It doesn't really work for me a whole lot. I think because they get really heavy And I prefer carrying those by the handles or in the crook of my arm. But since this one is smaller, I am gonna go ahead and use it crossbody. Now I'm sure I'm gonna have to adjust this, but because it's really long, but actually it's not. Look at this. I'm on my, look at my tippy toes. I'm wearing sneakers, and I have said before I'm 5 feet tall, like 5 even, and oh my gosh, this is, oh, it's so smooshy. Look at it. I just want it to like smush. I just want it to smush. So that is what I got, guys. I'm sure, I think some of you, I've seen some of your videos, you've gotten this bag. Is it Dazzle 77? I'm gonna link her below. I believe she got the black one too. Girl. Twinsies. And this bag, if you want a light, good priced, fun summer piece, get yourself one of these, girl. And if you don't have a Brooklyn especially, or if you have Brooklyns and you love the Brooklyn shape, girl, you gotta get yourself one of these. At least the little one. It's substantial. It's a pretty good size. It's a really good size. I think it is. I mean, it's so well made. I just look at these things. This is like sturdy. Like there's nothing flimsy about this, and it's like, it's a very strong magnet. It's like, you'll hear that? Obsessed. What do y'all think? What have you guys been looking at lately? Have you been considering any of these bags? If you're into smaller bags and you didn't get the bigger empires, would you be considering one of these? I think they're a great price. I think they're so smooshy. And I'll do a what's in my bag video. I want to take stuff out of my Empire carry-all and put it in here. I'm sure I'll be able to fit just about everything except for the laptop, which I'm totally fine with that. I just carry my laptop on my other hand. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't forget or you don't miss any of the videos. Give me a like, share, comment, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you all soon. Bye.